Morning, everybody. Well, we made it back over here. We are at Schuster Company. Drove all night, got our load delivered to Minnesota. Made it another 3 hours down here to Lamar where I can take a break. Like I said in my last video, my refrigerator was crapped out on me. So I looked it up. The Walmart here in Lamar's has got pretty much the same fridge on clearance. I could wait till in the morning and see if they got a used one in the wash bay over there. But I did that last time. It lasted 6 months. And the new one's on clearance. So I think I'm gonna get a brand new one. I'm gonna go check that out. I put Jujubee out here in the dog yard to hang out while I went and turned some paperwork in and got with dispatch. My load picks up tomorrow going to Nevada, just around the corner here at the ice cream factory. And doing my inspection on my truck, I found I got a brake chamber leaking. And if you don't know what a brake chamber is, I'm gonna show you right quick. It's gonna be loud. I got my generator running. That right there, brake chamber. For those of you that don't know how that works, those two wheels, every set has its own brake chamber. Those two work off of the one that's leaking. So your air brake system, when you apply air to that system, it releases that brake so that you can roll. And when you step on the pedal, it cuts the air off to the brakes, and they close up and stop the truck. So you have to have air pressure to release the brake so that you can roll freely. Now it's not completely out because it's holding enough pressure that I can drive it, but it's leaking enough. If you get stopped, that's an out of service. That is an out of service violation. And it's not going to get any better. It can only get worse. So you don't drive them. You don't drive them when they leak. So first thing in the morning, they're going to put me a new brake chamber on there. Got Jujubee's bone. Jujubee, you ready? Let's go get in the truck. Come on, let's go. We're going to run to Walmart and get us a fridge. All right, guys, let's go get that fridge. Walmart, all of a mile away. So another thing about this company, I don't think I've mentioned before. We have what's called personal conveyance. So you can see that I've only got 6 hours of drive time. And I mean 6 minutes. 6 minutes of drive time, 6 minutes of shift. You can have 14 hours in a day, and I've already used up 13 hours and 54 minutes of it. So I can't do any more working today or any more driving for the company. But I can personal conveyance to go shopping, run an errand or whatever I got to do. As long as you follow the rules, there's rules set by the DOT. I'm not going to go into all of them, but basically if you're on a load, you can't use personal conveyance because you ran out of time. You just want to get a few more miles closer to where you're picking up or where you're dropping off. That's a no-no. You can use it if you run out of hours and you ain't got a safe place to sleep. You can use that to get to the first safe haven, the first safe place, which there's definitions on what that is too. You gotta know all that. You gotta know the law. And that's why a lot of companies don't allow it, because they can't trust their drivers. There's a lot of yahoos out there that are going to take advantage of things, or they're just ignorant to the law and don't take the time to study it. It's not hard. But I can use it here, and I am using it so that I can go shopping. I got to get a new fridge and a couple things to put in it, because I'm not eating that old mayonnaise up in there. You hear me? So, and my milk turned to buttermilk. So, we can get a couple things in the new fridge. That's what we doing. Well, there she is. There she is. Got the new one. Got her all stacked up and cooling down. Feel a lot better about it now.